Hello everyone, today is 12th of May 2021 and let's discuss current affair for today. So first current affair is regarding the Assam, an initiative, and the initiative name is Online Flood Reporting and Information Management System, which has been launched in Assam with the help of UNICEF and Assam State Disaster Management Agency. अब इसका जो फंक्शन होगा ये होगा क्या कि जो relief or rehabilitation grant to the flood affected people of the Assam, that will be provided with the help of this application. And this is a web-cum mobile application, which means it can be used on web portal as well as on the mobile application. So the name of the application is Online Flood Reporting and Information Management System, launched in Assam, and it is with the help of UNICEF. HDFC Bank and the Common Service Center has launched a chatbot named EVA. Now this will help to the village level entrepreneurs in providing banking services for the last mile rural consumers. Okay, and the banking services will be related to the HDFC Bank only. Now the Common Service Center is an initiative by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and this helps in accessing, this works as an access point for the delivery of various electronic services in villages in India. So it contributes to the digital and financial inclusiveness towards the society. So the name of the chatbot is EVA. The launch has been done, the service has been launched by the HDFC Bank with the help of Common Service Center, and this will help to the village level entrepreneurs. The Global Energy Review 2021 report has been published, and according to this report, the global carbon emission are set to jump by 1.5 billion tons this year, and this is a dire warning that the economic recovery from the COVID crisis is currently anything but sustainable for our climate. So the report is published by International Energy Agency, which is headquartered at Paris, France, and it was founded in November 1974. Bank of Baroda has launched a micro website which will work as an emergency networking platform for all the employees of Bank of Baroda amid the second wave of COVID-19. Now this micro website will provide the vital data, including the network of plasma donors, to employers who are in the need of it. So apart from this, the site will also contain the information regarding the oxygen cylinders, remdesivir, plasma, and hospital beds. So the micro website initiative has been launched by Bank of Baroda, and it will work as an emergency networking platform for all the employees of the bank. Now there is NASA's spacecraft. The name of the spacecraft is OSIRIS-REx, which captured the dust from the asteroid Bennu, BENNU, and he is coming back to Earth, and it will take around 2 years. So the journey started a few days back, and now it is on its way to Earth with the dust tucked inside its rubble. So the name of this spacecraft is OSIRIS-REx. The name of the asteroid is Bennu, and the agency involved in it is NASA. Now Twitter has donated $15 million US to the COVID relief of India. So Twitter CEO Jack Patrick Dorsey has tweeted this thing, and this amount will be donated to the non-governmental organization. First is CARE, second is Air India, and Seva International US is the third one. Now China has conducted the census, and according to this, the the population growth in China is very near to zero. The exact is 0.53%. And why this is happening? Because of the stringent rules regarding the population growth. So the population rose by 72 million over the past decade, which in compared to the 2020 was 1.411 billion. So this is a drastic decrease in the population of China. Now, Chinese leaders has enforced a birth limit since 1980 to restrain population growth. To worry, the working age population is falling too fast. But they have now eased the birth limits. But the thing is, the couples who are not following the stringent policies, they will be discriminated from the jobs, and they will be cramped from houses, and there are so many restrictions that will be applied to them if they're not following the norms of less population. So Harley Davidson has launched Livewire, which is an all-electric motorcycle brand. Now this Livewire is a name of Harley Davidson's first electric motorbike, okay, which was unveiled in 2019, and the launch of the first brand is slated to in July this year. Puducherry has become the Har Ghar Jal union territory by ensuring that every rural home gets the household tap connection. The Puducherry has become the fourth state or union territory after Goa, Telangana, Andaman and Nicobar Island to provide assured tap water supply to every rural under the central government's flagship program Jal Jeevan Mission. So Jal Jeevan Mission is a central government program, and under this initiative there is an purpose that every household will have the tap water connection. So to fulfill that, Puducherry has become the first union territory to realize this goal. Now there is a name of the station as Mio Ka Wada in Jodhpur, which has been renamed as Mahesh Nagar. So why this has happened? Because this the name Mio Ka Wada gives an impression that it is inhabited by the Muslims only. It is inhabited by the Muslims only, and because of this, the matrimonial matches for the children were being affected, and that's why the union government, the central government, has changed its name. Now you must be wondering why central government has changed its name and not the state. But the thing is, the naming of railway station comes under the union subject. It is not under the state subject or the concurrent subject, but it is entirely under the union subject. So that's it for the day. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell notification as well, so that you don't miss any another update regarding the current affairs videos that will be publishing in future. And if you have any suggestion, then please mention them in the comments. And thank you so much. Have a great day.